One thing you notice about this truck, it's got no conventional mirrors. In fact, it's got MirrorCam, which has got better fuel consumption, better visibility, and more importantly, greater safety. Okay, just like we do in a conventional truck, before we set off, we've got to set our mirrors up. In the case of MirrorCam, what we've got to do is show it where the rear of the vehicle is. Obviously, if you've got a semi-trailer, we can show it at the end of the trailer. If you've got a rigid, it'll be the end of the body. For our purposes, we're going to use a traffic cone. Okay, I've set the cone at the rearmost area of the trailer. Now what we've got to do is align this line here with the cone. So, and to do that, we've got to activate the right hand button there for the right hand mirror, and then use the direction area to align it so it's in the middle of the cone there. And then once I'm happy with that, I then use the left hand button, and now the vehicle and MirrorCam, more importantly, knows where the rear of the trailer is and can track that when we're turning. One thing that you will notice is the fact that we've got a split screen, and so we've got on the top area is a near view, and then on the bottom area we've also got a wide screen, so it gives you the best possible visibility both near and far. Now, there might be occasions when you want to adjust the mirrors anyway, just like you can do on a conventional truck. You can do the same with MirrorCam. And what we do is just activate the mirror and then move it to wherever you wish. What you will notice is you'll get a red sign. That tells you you're outside the legal field of vision. So, bringing it back, you wait for a green sign. There it is. And that tells you you're safe and legal. That's the important thing, and ready to set off. And just like normal mirrors, you find that you do need to clean them now and again. They're made so that they're within easy reach, and clean it with a nice soft cloth. And it's also worth mentioning that they're also heated. That's it for our introduction to MirrorCam.